more.
No, me ride my bicycle car. Me no want no problem. Me realize say the fitness up on the car and me no want no problem, so me ride my bicycle. You understand? But when me say still, you know, me really have to make an apology to Mr. Andrew Holness. The apology when me make to you, you know, Mr. Holness, is not when me do or when me say, you know, cause I never disrespect you yet, you know. But you see, to him on that time, me hear people tell you about your mother, and that me apologize to you for. Please, Mr. Holness, you suffer people them too much. You suffer with too much. When you see you gone to the baby, you know you're gone far. As bad as thing be, the PMP leadership, Lisa Anna, although she can't breathe, she used to try to defend Pitney and love Pitney. Mr. Holness, this is going too far. And why me have to apologize to you, to all who disrespect your mother to me. Your mother is a nice lady. Me know your mother don't end someday, so. Me bring your mother go to church very regular when me used to run taxi. Your mother got pastorhood church, Panny Brunswick there, so just as you go up Steep Hill, a church on the left hand side. So nobody feel like people no know or no. And your mother is not the type of person where people may think, Bridging, who pay you for eat Jamaica people so much? Or because of them behavior and them action. But I know everybody stays so. Mr. Holness, the amount of who dislike you, can't count upon it too, can't count upon you too. Jamaica people love you so much. Why you sell out Jamaica people and beat them so bad? What we do you? What we do you? What we do you? Mr. Holness, hold up now, man. Sorry. If you can't deal with the country, give it to somebody else. Not suffer people them, because you make everybody hate you. And with all they hate you, they still not hate you as all you think. Because if they hate you as all you think, your family couldn't do this and everybody know them. So that for sure is Jamaica people still respect you. How much money them buy you for or give you that you are suffer we the Jamaican? Excuse me, I've look a flow, Mr. Holness. Can't even buy a pill right now. Stress them on me for your behavior and your thing them where you and your leaders are do. Mr. Holness, why you not take some people number from I get you? We can just call you straight to your office and get you. Take some people number from I scheme for the main. Instead of deal with those dunce and idiot where you have sit down in a parliament where you create rule. Hello restaurant, him and don't see, fooling, rotten teeth, ugly man. I don't like him. Because that man come like him and deal with racism and you don't see it. That man is not a Jamaican. That man have redneck blood in him, and that man is one who will mash up Jamaica and push you to mash up the country. Because you could have never be a black Jamaican and I bring you back in a slavery, brother. Please, Mr. Holness, may I ask you, may not disrespect you, but may I beg you, please, just show Jamaica people love no man, and make them love one another no man. With the heat and the pressure where you put on the people, them Mr. Holness, they not gonna love one another. This morning, me ride out of my yard, and the amount of people I say, morning, Mr. Ferguson, and I just sum me answer. I know bad ways me have. Me just feel how the people them are suffer and the sufferation. Me too, you know. Not show me I run some business and have something I go on. Me too. Because when Jamaica people suffer, me suffer. Because whatever me feel use to make money, when them not no money, how me make money? And when me not no money, how me pay your tax? Eh? Every year me have to pay your tax in a big man. Right? You not deal with Jamaica people good. But only thing me I tell you, whatever money them give you, give them it back and you have enough. Give them back their money and free up the country. Yeah, me I want you. Give back the people them their money, whichever foreign country you go, and them pay you for enslave us. Give them back their money. You hear me I tell you, because a Christian, me not understand how you deal with so. Stop it, man.
You see, before me get down in an nitty-gritty, me just want to take the time out to say, pick up yourself, Mr. Andrew Holness. Big up yourself, Jamaica Prime Minister. Anywhere you're there in the world, big up your blood clot self. Because you know what? You name what your name and your name not change. And guess what? Rules are rules, and you say what you say already, you not take it back. You see them woman here? Stupid and fool. And can't read between the line. Them why you just come out, come say brawling. And you know you's not that type of person. You understand me? You try to dress it up. You understand me? But at them for read between the line and understand what you're saying. Where the man simply I tell you say, stop fuck some careless unnecessary blood clot boy. Stop fuck somewhere who can't afford to buy a baby car seat. You understand me? Stop fuck them the boy that Andrew Holness simple I tell you no. Rules are rules. If you don't left Jamaica and go nowhere else, go have pitney, you don't have to have a car seat. So guess what? The man say you don't have to have a car seat at Jamaica, you don't have to have a blood clot car seat. Don't breed. Don't breed. If you cannot afford to buy a car seat or beg a car seat, don't get pregnant. You understand me? Rules are rules. Because if you don't run where no else and breed, you can't come out of the hospital without a car seat. And them say we must say already that them not take it back. Blood clot, don't know. Where? On two and blood clot ruling.
Wagwan from in the 70s, gunmen lease Kingston. From West Kingston straight to East Kingston. Work for PMP and Labour Right, the Beast Kingston. 1980, there wasn't no peace Kingston. Mama ban her belly and say, please Kingston, the amount of blood where you're running on your street Kingston. Politics selection come deceive Kingston. And when them shoot Bob Marley, Rasta grieve Kingston. The city full of murderers and thief Kingston could not control by your soldiers nor police Kingston. So you hand it to Dodos and Zeeks Kingston. I saw the Valley Matches Lane sign peace Kingston. Mad now get no more body for free Kingston. Meet no keep said the dan them breach Kingston. Get rid of Dodos and Zeeks Kingston. I saw this big incursion come reach Kingston. Spanish Town have you seen him blasted disease Kingston. And Moby you catch your symptoms when you sneeze Kingston. Westmoreland farmer turn gunman enough food now reach Kingston. Clarendon say give thanks to the badness them achieve Kingston. Linstead full of your nephew and your niece Kingston. But any day I hear say ISIS leave Kingston, I just pack my bags.